Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV!
You post out the picture of them in a blood clot, cause guess what, go on? Me have small clit. Me not have big clit. Me put it little. Yeah. Blood clot. Guess never left me for my pussy. You mad? Alone blood clot because skin out me hole and jump in that no blood clot and speak English. I when a pot where you speak, ask him. Behind me, her blood clot in front me. No boy, never left me for that pussy. You mad? From you have good pussy and good mouth, you can't suffer in a blood clot, America. Matic, you're ugly and strong with your ugliness. You're ugly and strong with your ugliness, Matic. Why you say my pussy stink? Matic, a regular boy fuck me and skin me out. I'm not for bed before I go a boy yard, Matic. No time. No time. Matic, I not go want you because you not do what I want you to do. You go say I'm fucking on my body, and true, you're not fucking a body, I don't want you. Matic, I never fucking on my body yet. I not have them assumption there. You draw some allegation for me, girl. You go chat me with the girl when named Nassif. You bring my business to the girl because you want the girl. Take out the bike for you on her credit. You bring people name for news. Yeah. When me and Cheese was a friend, I bring down Cheese in a blood clot. But you bring down Cheese with me and Rashim and a blood clot. Yeah. Me I bust it up. One sunky don't call. Now you can't lick me. You have been one enemy. Me and Rashima chat Cheese. I'm not chat Cheese. Because Cheese class, Rashima and Cheese class me. So we're entitled to talk about her. And you talk up the things them. And you say Cheese can't pick your cake because you know her secret. You know everything about her. Remember when you tell her she mind man like that, and you get it from where? Move your blood clot. That's just the truth. I never know nothing about the transaction, money transaction. And when Cheese talk to me and she say, Mama tell you how that go. A business and money we are flip and a turn. And Cheese show me say she get back the money because she show me the proof. And she said, you know something Matic tell you? I said, no man, somebody else hear it from and you blood clot tell me. Your house enemy. You chat me with Poochie. That a brown man mother. In the basement. Matic, you're not supposed to hype me because remember me in no shelter. Your roof a touch your mole. Get up out of the girl house. And go rent somewhere. Some can tell me stop. You're mad na blood clot. Your roof a touch your mole. Matic, you're ignorant because you don't know where I live. You can't know where I live, Matic. You can't know nowhere where I live. And that's a vex for. You watch guest page right through. You watch baby page right through. If baby post and throw a word, and me post and throw a word, you follow them no blood clot. You follow up guests no blood clot. And the boy not trouble when me and him no blood clot there. Yeah. Every minute you fling this in my face. And as bigger come bring her money, come give me so. You like the lions them. Cause you love likes. Yeah. Yeah. As big as bring the money, come give me so where there. When me used to live with you ear up bigger. What one big dog? One big dog, one small dog. Suck your mathematic. You chat people when you can get things. From Rashima, take care of our blood clot social. You bring down Rashima. Remember good now? You chat Poochie with me. That's time I can angle Poochie in a blood clot. Yeah. And you tell me to Poochie not like me. And you bust it up. I'm going to bust it up back for Rashima and a blood clot. And my daughter godmother so yeah. And you say Poochie take out beer, furniture and things to Shannon. Murder. Matic, you know why I'm getting technical. Remember, I'm not going to Shannon yard for no certain things. I only pass through when I want a cigarette. Yeah. Guess not even understand who I go on right now. The dog not understand not who I go on right now. The woman good all call him and a class him. Matic draw one big allegation for me in the Bronx. She gone to her baby father She going back to, and you and guest talk on phone and reason, and the dog show you, say, look here now, me and the man, me and the being a day. And one time, me ever see guest, and I in at the cold time, and I ride down a blood clot Manhattan, down at the McDonald's, on the roadside, me see guest. One time, I see guest, on the roadside. One time I see guests on the roadside on Manhattan, and from that guest I see back the door. Here you have STD. Matty, no go this. Come on. Use something else, cuss me and tell me. Come on. Remember my breastfeed? Come on, no man. I be able to talk to. Remember my breastfeed? So anything there suck out of my breast. Yeah, it's like you try to style my baby now. Remember, me's a breastfeed girl. Come on, no, man. Nobody would have style him, man. Cause about something different, man. Cause about you smell like area. Matty, come now, man. Remember, me's a breastfeed person. I have to drink plenty water when I give you a breast. Come now, man. Where you go? Where you gone, pan? You try look and see. At the first me ever say, if you see if me and Batman was friends, and me and you did there, and this happened, you couldn't click no live. You couldn't click no live. Bad to bad, you couldn't click no live. And you make everybody hate me. She show you dirty drawers with stain. Which dirty drawers me have with stain? Which dirty drawers Twep if it come to the why I'll marry you, baby? Talk to my mother. Which dirty drawers me have with stain? So you tell me, say, me take off my drawers so me not see nothing about me. Me could have left my drawers with stain. Me say Batman warn me about that girl. What kind of dirty jazz it stain you talk about? Yeah, use one shape and crazy prank on people. What you try to do? Matty, remember every day, remember the reason why I left you? I'm walk and tell whole heap of people this I'm close to. I reach out to Joma. I tell Joma say I want to stop talk to you. Till all your cousin Trina I'll pinch you and tell you. Say Twep I gotta stop talk to you. But to our Trina here, Trina thinks say a man me I gotta talk to another man. That girl is not happy for me. That girl I cuss me every day and tell me say anytime me and her left she gonna bring me down. I'll talk when I go so from where go so. And said, yeah, me she talk over there say me beat the door. She have video with me I beat the door. Come on, man. That child cannot take beating. You hate me so much, you hate my baby father so much, and you bad mind me because I move and elevate myself from the shelter. And you down there wish for me there. Tell her to carry the video, go down there. What the place name? The child's, what the place name? What the place name? Down so again. She say take the She say I go take the from you. Go take your mother ugly no blood clot. But take your mascot Matty. Let me get it technical with you now. You see Dior. You see Sophia Morgan. You don't have a control over that child. Don't get it twisted. I only hype you up on the media because I want to get feel away. Come on now. Let's reason now. CPS. Carry go down a CPS. If me beat my baby, carry go down a CPS. They can't set me up in a life. Matty can't want to see me a friend because Sarah not getting a papers in a real life. Listen now. You see my daughter, my baby. Hold on, I'm too hard. I don't know them people here. You see my baby. You don't have a talk in my baby life. I move my hand from the speaker. You don't have a talk in my daughter life. She say you don't have time for the baby, so she's gonna take her. But, can't bother with you, man. When I bring some sad news right now, cause sad news them there. You know, see Matika mad girl. Matic sick, Matic vex. Let me tell you what Matic vex for. Because I tell Matic say, I'm not gonna tell my daughter you is her father. You is her mother. We are two females. Your name is Chantel Bailey in America. You don't name Sean Bailey. Your name Chantel Bailey. Stop calling my baby name for your life. Because you never produce my child. Don't call my baby name in your mouth. You don't know how my baby come. No produce, no call my baby name in your mouth. From your ear, me tell you, say me not confuse my blood clot daughter. But me gonna make my daughter know her right to father when him not mine or no blood clot. Then I forgot take back guess. I'm gonna get not even a penny. Not even a red quart. I forgot take back guess. Eh? But just make bygones the bygones. Make him seem that because I'm not gonna confuse her. Your name is she, her, not he, him. Matic na boss not na blood clot. Matic sick and sad. Matic get some mad out Matic. Get some mad out Matic. Tell her to put on a dress string. Make get fuck out her mouth. Fuck out her all with a big good day. Get some mad out Matic. When Matic say guess post there and post eclipse, Matic going a coma and a blood clot. She going a silent coma. Yeah. But love, you already confused the child because you're sleeping with a woman. Me, I'm a blood clot, man. You see me, I sleep with a woman. I dream and me there around she. Ask her, she hardly fuck me and her hardly do nothing. Me and her hardly do nothing. You mad? Anytime me and her do something, he's a big good boy me I think about. Me is a bisexual, me is not a blood clot sodomite. Me is a bisexual, me ramp with woman now and then, I ramp with man now and then. My blood clot sex feelings is a blood clot skipping rope. It skip from one end to another blood clot. And what you talking about? Matty go breed and have son and I hide it. Bring out your blood clot, son, because the boy them fuck you out at Craigtown. Yeah. The boy them fuck you out at Craigtown. Fuck out your whole at Craigtown. That's why you hate Lisu a blood clot. Because Lisu save you from rape and tell you say she not go talk. And you hear it back and you wonder how people know. You go like your blood clot, blood clot gin. And you're not liquor. You're not gin. You're not gin. You're not blood clot gin. Matic your mouth want fix. Diamond just joined the live. All you? All you? Eh? Matic class. Everybody was to work with. Everybody. Yeah. Everybody. From everybody. With the blood clot, when I'm not all about nothing, Matic came out live. Shan did come talk it and people them never believe. But never they go talk your business or talk where you talk, but you get too bright. You chat pebbles like dog. You chat pebbles like dog. Yeah. Remember I used to send Kedar blood clot picture go straight up a blood clot 25th. Matic make a reason. Yeah. Make a reason. Make a reason, Matic. Make me a reason. Today is Sunday, we can reason. And a Sunday alone, we know God. We know Him every day. Bless the name of Jesus all the time. Yeah. Yeah. Matic say can't bother out, you know. For last time. The baby have my last time. And I'm a girl mad out. I'm mad out because I left her. Mad out. Matic, remember I never you left me and me left you. Me run left your ugly zuko pen blood clots. I'm tired for your dream beard uppy movie. Beard uppy movie. Every time I sleep with them, I scream out of my sleep. Beard uppy movie me I wait name there. And then I feel like I eat beer bread fruit. Matic, the dog them fuck you up a Long Island up at the white woman. Your mother come talk about it. Your mother come talk about it. Your mother come, our woman in the background, the girl. Me no business about she and the girl. Me no want Matic call my name. Matic call my name and then accompany me that come and go like say shit is. Matic and me give that 5 minutes of fame, yeah. If I never me, you wouldn't have no life for click. Me see Batman bring you down and you couldn't click no life for Batman. Me see Batman bring you down and you couldn't click no life for Batman. You couldn't click, yeah, because she talk on the live say she don't want my fame, she want Ivan fame. You know me and Ivan in a beef. You been one plan for do me this. So everything where you talk and telling me that they know I be a make up story you do. Because you know say if you come out come talk about me and class me, always me a clot you. Them a go want dip on your side, cause and me a talk about. So yeah, bring Ivan over your life. You well want to bring me down. You well want to bring me down. You fake from day one. I'm sorry, me never fuck back, guess. And lick up your blood clot chip. I true me and him not depend on them terms there. Me and him not depend on them sleep with terms there. The only thing we talk about a day or if him see me post something, say send me that picture there. I say alright. Yeah. If Ivan want over there class me that a fair business, and Ivan is session right now, a matic session. A dirty matic session. Matic woman a fix me. They want to fix me and for them business that me no business. The two of them sit down and plan it. Them sit down and plan because me they are good. Me not gonna live. Me not cuss nobody. Me not do nothing. Me just live my life and me just do my thing. Me say me got my little party them. Me post my little video. Me post a flyers if me want. Alright, but true she see me silent and she not see no who I go on. She not hear no who I go on. It a bother. Just show Matic see 3.8K views over there. Matic a go on with her say, but more know how much days they can hold it up for. Cause you have got stay uptown 219 can't stay. Cause me I gotta get it set me blood clot call. Yeah. We gotta get it technical. Should I repeat it enemy them? In ME man I watch Van Reach. 5.8, that's why she a be slow. She get her fame today. She get her fame today. She get her fame today, man. She got tired, you know. Wallano, people, Matic, are the one where carry my name to the girl. And Matic start up a drama, she start up a beef, she just start up a problem because she see say, all she a text me and a call me, me nah look on her. Where she buy me sheet from? Oh, she buy me sheet and my mother sell sheet. Pinky Tickle sell sheet. Oh, Matic for buy me sheet. Oh, Matic for buy me sheet. She got talk about the hazard them in the basement. That she got talk about. Nobody never know Matic but me. Till me make people know Matic. Matic ugly and wrong. ugly, Matic, blood clot, ugly. You're actually staying on an ID. I not ignore her judgment. I not ignore her. I can't believe that Matic this. I tell you no where the end of the last time I go up on TikTok live, you know. I talk it, you know, I say people, I don't feel like I want to deal with Matic no more. Because of the energy we should come with. I talk it where they upon TikTok live the time before I move out our house. I want to never listen to me. She sit down and she plan for do this. She plan for this, but I say, see, me no go, you see, me no get locked up for nobody else in America. I have to get locked up for Matic. Yeah. She have to go itch up a massive yard. Me I tell you, when me done with that, I said, when me done with that, to blood clot. I mean, not sugarcoat nothing. Matic crying in a blood clot. She plan for me. You don't hear what she say? You don't hear what she say? What she say on TikTok live since morning? You know how long me want that day you come? That the girl some say bumbo clot. Fuck. Here I should say you and I never kiss. Why would she have all panty pictures? So Matty really go take up on panty and design the panty for say me? Matty, me not really wear drawers, you know that, you know? Me not really wear panty because I like easy access. All down to my baby father. Me not wear drawers. Me not like panty like that. Me not no secret fear more than me just attack facts. Why would I be with someone and then say things to tear them down? Why would I do something like that? Why would I do that? Why would I do something like that? Why? Why would I do that? Girl, and everywhere I go, something go wrong, girl. When me used to there on Batman, nothing never go wrong, girl. Me used to there on Body, I'm used to there on Macy, I'm used to there by myself. You never hear me and Macy them clap it up when me did there on them. As since me go around Matic, Batman cry, Batman a like her. Batman know how she stay, Batman don't like her. Me not go cry for none of them something, yeah. Me not go cry for this because what you don't know, I want to hide. I hide it inside of me. I hide it inside of me. Come telling how she used to deal with me. From the girl, yes, I'm get the voucher. The girl change. Me a strong girl be. Strong girl be. Strong girl, brother. Strong girl, maybe. You go depend live attack, say. You feed me for 1 year. I don't know you for 1 year. I don't know you for 1 year. My baby not 1 year yet. My dad America 1 year and I don't know you for 1 year. I don't know you for 1 year, Matic.